In this quick and simple video, I will show you how to sell the TapSwap coin. First and foremost, you need to come to your Telegram application and then load up your TapSwap application like this. So come to the search bar over there and then search for TapSwap. So point to note is that when you search for TapSwap, you'll have two options. You will have the TapSwap official group, this one which is the community, and as you can see, it has the verification tick over there, and even you have the TapSwap bot. So guys, be careful because there are many scammers. As you can see, this bot over here isn't verified, it doesn't have a tick. So this bot is created by scammers. And even this account over here, this community isn't verified, it has no tick. It's all created by accounts. All right, so come and tap on this TapSwap bot and then just come and tap on start now. When you tap on start now, you'll be loading up your TapSwap application right away. Okay, so as you can see, this is my TapSwap account and I'm mining over here. So for this case, for those who want to withdraw right now, it's not possible to withdraw, guys. You need to be a bit patient, not until TapSwap goes live. And when it goes live, you'll be able to withdraw right away. So for this case right now, you can keep on mining because you can't tell the price of TapSwap anyway. Just keep on mining like this, or can come and tap on tasks and do some small tasks over there, or even refer to your friends. Or in other words, you can come and join the official community over here. Just come and tap on join community, and then you just tap on TapSwap community, and this is the official community. This means this is the official group, and in case of anything, you'll be getting the updates. As you can see here, they say the audience of TapSwap alone is larger than the all legacy of blockchain-based projects combined. TapSwap's team is wisely relying on Telegram for distribution of TapSwap on Ton to mint the upcoming token. Okay, so guys, just be alert right now. I would advise you to have the Ton wallet in your account, or you have the Ton wallet on your phone, because it's likely TapSwap will be listed on Ton and you'll be able to withdraw or you sell your TapSwap on Ton. So for this case, if you don't have Ton, just come to Google Play Store and then search for Ton wallet. Okay, so search for Ton wallet and then download it. If you already have it and it's not updated, just click on update over here and then update it. Okay, so that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.